Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this Samsung. You need to begin by locating and opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Over here, you need to scroll down again, tap on Biometrics section, and tap on Face Recognition. After that, enter your current screen lock and click on Confirm after reading the disclaimer. Now wait for 100% mark, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on those switches next to all of those features, and even click on Add Alternative Appearance to enhance recognition in order to add second scan of your face. When you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!